Hi everyone, this is Wife from the Lopez Garden, and today what I'm going to show you what I'm going to do is to transplant the small kiwi seedlings that have already sprouted. It's taking a long while. At least it's not as fast as the dragon fruit, which I was comparing to. Today is August the 17th. And I'm gonna remove some of the ones that have already sprouted, and we're gonna put some soil in it because I've noticed with the dragon fruit sometimes it's harder for the napkin to dissolve, therefore the roots to get to the soil, and they tend to get dry. So before that happens to the kiwi, because it's taken longer, I don't know if they're more delicate or it's harder to grow them, so I'm just gonna transplant them to soil right now before it gets harder to do it. Once the roots attach to the napkin, it's gonna be harder, so right now with the help of a toothpick I'm just gonna do that. So let's get on to it. So as you can see, some of them have sprouted, not all of them. It has taken a while, more than a week. The others in 9 days. The dragon fruit seedlings in about 9 days were like almost out of their seeds. With the kiwi it has taken longer. I think we did this on the July 28th and it's August 17th, so about 2 weeks or so, and almost 3 weeks to get that much of a sprouting. And this side, some are very small, some are a little bit bigger and greenish. So what we're gonna do is those that have sprouted, we're gonna start passing them to soil, so we can have more chances of having these plant. So let's get on to that. So I got this bigger tray, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet these little pots first so that the soil is humid. This is normal potting soil, but for seeds. And I'm gonna start laying them here with the moist water and then just sprinkling them. Why am I doing this? Because they're so small, I don't want to pour them there and then add the water and then they'll go everywhere. So I think this will be easier. So let's get on to that. So in two of these, in this one and this one, I made a little hole in the middle and pour many of them, sprouted and non-sprouted, just there, and mildly covered it up. And then in this one, as you can see, they're still there, so I just pour them superficially so I can see the difference between this one and this one, or if it even matters. So the other thing that's gonna be left is to spray it again with water. This time it's just spraying with a spray that I've been getting all my little seedlings wet with, and then I'll just put them inside a plastic bag just so the moisture gets contained and they keep on growing. So after all, it is also a tropical fruit. So that's what's gonna happen, and then from there I'm just gonna show you the updates on any changes. So I hope you enjoyed this. Sorry about not discussing this before. This was the first time I did kiwi. I thought it was going to be a little bit easier, and with my experience with dragon fruit seedlings, what I've noticed is that even though they do grow with a napkin method, it is better to do it directly on soil because you skip the transplanting process. You don't have to worry about that. Just when they get big enough, just to get them in a bigger pot. They are still holding on in there, so we'll see what happens with these. The one kiwi seeds that I planted directly on soil don't look like they've grown at all, but these ones have, so I just, transplanted them this way before they get attached to the napkin, just to see what happens. And then I'll just keep on showing you updates, guys. So thank you for watching, and I hope if you're growing kiwi seeds or kiwi plants from seeds that they're growing fantastically. So have a good one. See you later. Bye.